pagka ganito, this kind of current na meron tayo, as we notice, we have this, ito ay parallel. Ito naman ay series. Series naman ito papunta rito sa ating R3. Sabihin natin ito ay I3, ito naman ay R4. R3, R4. Sabihin natin na ang ating voltage ay 12 volts. Ito naman R3 natin, sabihin natin ay 10 ohms. And ito naman ay 5 ohms. Ito naman ay 2 ohms. Sabihin natin ito ay 3 ohms. Now, first, how you be able to find is that ang nawawala natin, ang nawawala ay total resistance, nawawala. Current, total current, nawawala. Nawawala din ang ating first current, second current, and then third current. Yun yung mga nawawala. Then we have I4, nawawala din ang ating current. Then next, anong sabihin natin? Dagdagan natin po, total power, nawawala. Power 1, ano kaya to? Gaano kalaki yung watts nito? Ito naman, power 2, then power 3. Ano kaya yung mga value? So, by identifying these specific values, we need to apply parallel series and the current series. So, ito yung parallel and the parallel and the current. So, apply natin yung formula for the parallel. So, we have R total, diba, is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus, look at this. Now, nasa R3 siya. Yung R3 natin, nasa form siya ng current series. Current siya. So, i-add lang natin. So, 1 over R3 plus 1 R4. So, yun yung magiging bagong formula natin. In this case, ha. So, we have 1 over R raised to, yung value ng ating first resistance, which is 1 over 10 ohms plus 1 over 5 ohms plus 1 over the resistance for our third, sabihin natin ay 2 ohms plus 3 ohms. Next, simplify muna natin to. Ito. So, 1 over 5. So, 1 divided by 10, we have 0.1. 0.1 plus 1 divided by 5, 0.2 plus 1 divided by 5, 0.2 pa rin. So, add natin naman to 1 over, lakas ng hangin. Ayan, lakas ng hangin. 1, add natin itong denominator, 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.2, we have 0.5. 1 divided by 0.5, we have 2. Since we have the resistance total natin is 2 ohms. So, that is the value. Next, na meron tayong value nito, which is 2 ohms. Hanapin naman natin ang ating total current. Total current is equal to, apply the Ohm's law, which is V total divided by the R total. The V total na meron tayo ay, we have 12 volts. So, meron tayong 12 volts divided by the R total, which is 2. So, 2 ohms. So, 12 divided by 2, we have 6 amperes. Ang total ng ating current ay 6 amperes. Ito daw ay 6 amperes. Lagyan din 6 amperes. So, meron 6 amperes. Next, current 1. First current natin. That is the value. So, apply the Ohm's law pa rin. B1 divided by the R1. We have B1, which is 12 volts divided by the R1. Ano yung R1 natin? Which is 10 ohms. 12 divided by 12. 1.2 amperes. Next, we have second. We have B2 divided by R2 is equal to 12 volts divided by the second, which is 5 ohms. 5 ohms is equal to, we have 2.4 amperes. Next, I3 natin. So, para makuha natin sa I3, observe muna natin to. So, since nasa form siya ng ating series, ano ang kailangan natin gawin? Sabi sa series, si current daw ay equal lang lahat. So, therefore, kung equal lang, si I3 natin ay equal kay I4. Now, paano natin kukunin to? So, sabi natin, I total sa ating parallel, we have I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to I4 for our current series to. Ang I1 natin which is 6 amperes, ang I2 natin which ang I1